this video, we cover the following topics. Transfer methods are techniques used to transfer an image or drawing onto watercolor paper before painting. What's covered? Materials needed. How to do the transfer. Downsides to each method. Watch the videos in the Transfer Methods chapter to learn more about each method. Use a transfer method to protect an original image or save money and watercolor paper by using cheaper copy paper and then transferring to the watercolor paper. There are a couple methods that can be used to transfer an image drawn to the surface of the watercolor paper. This helps to create clean lines on the watercolor paper. Check out the video on using copy paper to sketch. Using a transfer method as a watercolorist offers several benefits, particularly in the preparation and execution of detailed or complex compositions. Here are some of the key advantages. Precision and planning. Preservation of the paper. Time efficiency. Confidence and ease. Flexibility. Integration of digital tools. Control over final presentation. And repeatability. Precision and planning. The transfer method allows artists to meticulously plan their compositions in advance. By creating a detailed sketch or outline on a separate piece of paper, artists can experiment with different layouts and designs without committing to the final piece. This is especially helpful for intricate subjects or when precise placement is important. Preservation of the paper. Watercolor paper is sensitive to erasing and repeated work, which can damage the surface and affect how the paint behaves. Transferring a design minimizes the need to draw and erase directly on the final paper, preserving its texture and absorbency. This is also a cost-effective solution because watercolor paper tends to be more expensive. Time efficiency. Once a transferable sketch or design is created, it can be reused for multiple pieces. This is particularly useful for editions or series where consistency is important. It saves time in the long run by eliminating the need to redraw the same design multiple times. Confidence and ease. For many artists, starting on a blank piece of high-quality watercolor paper can be intimidating. Having a pre-planned and transferred design reduces anxiety about making mistakes and allows artists to focus on the painting process itself, such as color mixing and brushwork. Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor, contains over 200 video lessons inside of the book. This enables you to watch, learn, and practice at your own pace. The book includes how to create 2 flip books and a palette card. Together, we explore and test watercolor paint properties. This innovative and practical method of teaching helps you learn watercolor one step at a time, and it covers everything you need to know to be successful with watercolor. My technique-focused method combined with a mix-and-match approach helps watercolorists at any stage of the painting journey improve their ability to paint subjects of their choice. The Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide covers virtually all the gear a watercolorist needs to begin a lifelong journey of watercolor painting and includes recommendations for gear like equipment, materials, supplies, tools, mixed media and more. This free guide accompanies the book, Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Download your free copy of the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide today by clicking the link located in the video description below or visiting mandikins.com. Thank you for watching. Tap the archer to subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new content. To continue your watercolor journey, click a video from one of the playlists above.